And what about the task cards? How can we then go into the even more granular from the work packages and then into the task cards? Walk perhaps the audience through how we would address that.
Yeah, as you can see, we don't only assign on a work package level, but we review all the task cards, the work orders. What is the start and the end time? What are the requirements? Do we need a specific scope for the whole time or duration of work order, or just for a small portion? So all the detailed information is collected and taken into account when you're planning.
And for instance, the engineer that's executing the work package is vastly experienced and got the job done quicker than what was predicted in the M&E system. What then happens to him or her? Are they released back to the HR system to be used again for another work package?
Yeah, then it's up to what the company wants. If you can define if you want to release them, they can be assigned already for the new task. Yeah.
And does the application take into effect the local rules, like union rules, such as tea breaks, lunch breaks, downtime, etc.?
Yeah, definitely. You know, and again, that comes down to the business logics. For example, you can define the time between the start of a work package and the start of a next work package, because sometimes you need to move from one location to the other, or you want to give a person a break. So all those business rules, which normally are always taken into account by a planner, can be defined into the system.